Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to scan QR code on any Android. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. In most of the mobile phones, you guys can be easily able to record QR code by just scanning from original camera, but not in every phone. So I'm gonna tell you the method which works on every device. So it's pretty simple. Let's get started. You guys have to open up your phone camera. So after opening up your phone camera, what you guys have to do is here you guys can be able to see my phone is not able to scan QR code, but don't worry, I'm gonna tell you how you can do this. You just have to find an option in the mobile phone which is Google Lens option. In my mobile phone, here it is displaying as top left corner. You just have to tap on it. You guys can also search Google Lens from your phone settings and open that. So after opening up Google Lens, so it will open up Google Lens and you just have to scan here. You guys can be able to see it will providing you a web address. You just have to tap on it and you guys can be easily able to scan QR code on any Android. So that's all for today guys. Hope you would like it. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.